guys, welcome back to Jenny Moonbloom. Yes, it's another unboxing episode. I finally ordered from another plant nursery online. I believe they're located in southern Florida. So yes, this package is from Aroid greenhouses. I wasn't able to find too many reviews on how their plants were delivered, but they do have a huge following on Instagram, so that's always a good sign, right? I have been keeping an eye on what they release. They have these special drops every week, and they have really amazing, like, rare Aroid options, Aroid selections, and that's pretty much what I've been obsessed with right now. So I'm really into Aroid, so that's their specialty. Let's see what we think about this nursery and if we could possibly order from them again. So Aroid greenhouses. This nursery started out as like a little Etsy shop in 2019, which is like only a year ago. So I feel like they've grown a lot quickly, and it's my dream to just have my own little like plant shop. So that gives me hope, right? That motivates me. Anything's possible. This package arrived fairly quickly. It was shipped out on Monday. So today's Thursday. I hope it's in good condition. When they dropped it off, can you see this? It says fragile, placed this way up, and it was not placed this way up when they dropped it off. So I hope my plant's okay. And this is a larger package than I usually get. I haven't been ordering online that long, but all my plants are usually like in little 4-inch or 3-inch pots. So this is a 6-inch pot, and I'm super excited. I forgot to mention what's inside. So inside is a Syngonium pink splash. So these are really beautiful plants. They have pink colors on their leaves, and they're really cute and pretty, and I'm excited to open it. It is feeling a little cold, but we might be okay. Just a cute little message here, thank you note, and just, things to keep an eye out for. It's already pretty. So look, not a lot of dirt, not a lot of loose soil, which is always a good sign. I wasn't expecting this, but it has little, bamboo sticks to keep the structure, and it definitely helps keep your plant safe. All right, you guys ready? Thank you for your purchase. Unpack slowly and carefully. It's always sweet when you can tell where you ordered your plants for. They really do genuinely care about the quality and your happiness. So far so good. It really looks so good. Okay. Packed really well. So far so good. Hopefully this just reflects on how well my plant's gonna look after it's open. I'm the type of like gift unwrapper where I do like every piece of tape and make sure I don't rip my paper just because I'm weird like that. But I do want to be really careful and try not to do any damage. Try not to mess up any leaves. It's so pretty, and it's big. And it's really, really well wrapped, and it's healthy, and there's pretty much not a flaw in any of these leaves from traveling. Look how beautiful and colorful. So pretty. So it's wrapped really well. Like I said, it doesn't look like there's any type of damage from shipping, no like damage from the cold, and it looks really healthy. So I'm happy with my plant. Looks like they have a layer of sphagnum moss on the top. And the pot's feeling heavy, so it's probably still moist and damp to where I don't need to water it right away. And I'm probably not gonna mess with it much for a couple weeks till it really settles in. So since it's been in a box for a few days and traveling and being moved around and stuff, I don't wanna mess with it too much because it's probably gonna go through a little bit of shock, and I don't wanna pull it out of its pot quite yet till it kind of settles into my home, its new home. So I'm really, really happy with how my plants turned out. Obviously, I don't know what it looks like down there, but from the top, from the leaves and its stems, it tells me it's a pretty healthy plant. So this plant is beautiful. It's a, like I said, it's Syngonium pink splash. As you can see the shape, it's like a three leaf. I don't know. It's like a triangle shape, but it has these splashes of pink, and it's really, really beautiful. So super happy with my first order from Aroid's greenhouses. I'm probably gonna order from them again because I'm crazy and I can't stop buying plants. But I'm really happy. I found another, another reputable nursery, and I really love their plant options, and I'm definitely gonna buy from them again for sure. So I enjoyed this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I enjoy my plant, and yeah, I hope it's happy with me and grows lots of pretty leaves. Yes, so thanks again for joining in another unboxing video with me. If you like what you see and you want to see more, don't forget to show me some love and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!